In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a broken or cracked right door hinge cover on your Whirlpool refrigerator. If you need to buy a new hinge cover, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. The right hinge cover is located on the top of the fridge above the right door hinge. Now, on the top of the fridge, remove the Phillips screw and plastic cover over the hinge. When shopping for a new hinge cover, be sure you're searching with the model number from the tag on your appliance to make sure you get the correct part. This part is side specific, so make sure you're ordering the correct one. To install the cover, first set it in place. The cover only seats correctly in one position. Then, reinstall the screw. So that's it for this video. If you learned something new, hit that like button. And if you enjoy fixing things and want to see more videos like this and these, please consider subscribing.